Even if you hate living out in the open nature, I'm sure these tree houses I'm about to show you will end up changing your mind if you're one of those who prefer staying indoors no matter what. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the most luxurious tree houses that you'll ever come across. This eco-friendly hotel set amid northern Sweden's Lule River Valley offers some of the most incredible tree houses in the entire world. You can choose from 7 different models, all completely different inside out. However, the ones that resonate in your eyes immediately are the UFO and the bird's nest or mirror cube, with walls made out of glass mirrors. To get inside the first one mentioned, you will have to climb up retractable stairs, which will take you into the space-inspired interior with small windows. Bird's Nest, on the other side, thanks to its exterior, perfectly hides in the forest, and inside offers a cozy interior with space for 4 people. The best thing about the entire hotel is that it lies within the Aurora zone, meaning there's an excellent chance to see the northern lights from the tree's highest vantage point. This hotel should be on your list if you're planning a vacation to somewhere cold in the upcoming days. Mamoli Treehouse is an iconic landmark of a large Sumba island, located just an hour away from Bali. Built around the trunk of a tree among the wilds, the first floor of Mamoli contains an open-air living room and a bathroom that leads out to a private lounge area that overlooks a gigantic infinity pool. There's also a master bedroom to complement the rest of the treehouse's ambiance, with a balcony overlooking the ocean. Just imagine waking up to the sound of the waves gushing against each other. It's hard to explain this feeling in words. To top it all off, the treehouse comes with the private services of a butler, so whatever you need, say when. The Incatera Canopy Treehouse is situated in Peru, having a thatched construction with a 26-meter high vantage point that diverts into the Amazon rainforest. The treehouse gives a majestic living experience as you're practically living in a rainforest more than a treehouse. In this canopy treehouse, you get the service of a private butler who comes to deliver snacks, cold drinks, or chilled bottles of your favorite drinks. If you like to have the whole experience, then a private dinner in the rainforest canopy is an absolute must. The Treetop Hideaways in Tennessee offers not just one, but 2 kinds of tree houses: the Luna Loft Treehouse and the Elements Treehouse. The Luna Loft Treehouse is made from reclaimed 1860s barnwood with a huge 16-foot-tall window from an old warehouse and a copper-lined whiskey barrel shower in the bathroom. The Elements Treehouse, on the other hand, is a more luxurious and generous option with heated floors, a rainfall shower, Wi-Fi connectivity, and plenty of ways to roam the outdoors of Tennessee. Thanks to their position, both of them offer a stunning view of the Tennessee mountains. Located within the Martaba Safari Lodge, Tabamitzi is a 2-level treehouse more built around the tree rather than on top of it. Inside, you'll find a bedroom, complete shower facilities with dining and lounge areas to further add to the comfortable experience of living in a treehouse. The entire remote home is powered by solar energy, so your experience will be free of damaging the environment. The treehouse also contains a 6-meter-long Martini step deck with views over the surrounding ridgelines, trees, and the seemingly unending plains, making it a good spot for sundowners. Undoubtedly, this is one of the best spots if you want to stay in a romantic place with your significant other.